Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to remove the border from a single table cell in Word without affecting the rest of your table. This is perfect for creating custom tables design, invoices, forms, schedules and professional document layout. If you want specific cell to look cleaner and merge visually, this tutorial will help you do it quickly. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I am open my assignment for my college and I want to need a table cell. Remove the cell border. At first select the table. To show the arrow, go to the design menu, click the border drop down menu and choose no border. We can see we remove the cell border only the one cell of in this table. You can make it easily. Now I am make this same process to another table. Select again and click the border drop down menu, choose no border. We can see we make it very easily. I hope you apply this process. You can remove any single table cells border easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.